Hello YouTube, Daniel here. Yeah, buddy of mine, Glenn, one of my subscribers, he got a hold of me there the other day. He says, "Hey, I'm passing up your way. Want to make a trade on a couple things?" I said, "Sure." So he mentioned to me what he wanted, and this is kind of a pile of what he brought me. We got a 19, what was it, 40 or 53 Blue Point wrench, gray made in Canada, a Herbrand spoon, gray bonney extension, and then two regular gray extensions, a dreadnought wrench, which was part of Gray Tools Canada. We got another gray bonney pump pliers. We got a few bonney sockets, and I got some Herbrands, impact 3/4. I think it was a 14. Yeah, 14. And a 13. And a couple other, what was that, 5/8, 7/16. We got this, which is a 3/8 square all the way through. I'm assuming this was because of some of the female ratchets. They had a double extension, this way you could add them together. Then we got Gray Canada, Herbrand Canada wrench. That Gray Canada's a 6-point. We got Herbrand screwdriver. And we got 3 gray socket or ratchet handles. And he brought me a Herbrand box, which is awesome. Yep, nice selection of tools. I'm quite happy. Alright, well, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Just stop by and say hello. And I'll let you check out the Beetle Bailey cartoon. Catch you later.